the real fun is the turkey neck. And what I do for that is I take a little piece of clay and I roll it out, flatten it out. I'm gonna attach it to the chin and just bring it right down to the neck. Roll it over a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put my thumb here. I'm gonna kind of pinch it up because I really can't get my fingers in there to pinch it like I like to. So I'm gonna use my tool and my thumb. For an older person, sometimes they have, you know, this neck underneath. I just put a little piece there.
It gives so much character.
So much character.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, she's really aging her now, and
Yeah.
it gives them a lot.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.